Hey there, and welcome back to Mindcraft, the place where we turn complex ideas into powerful insights that can change your life. Today, we're diving into a modern-day gold rush. Not the dusty hills of California in the 1800s, but a digital revolution that's minting millionaires and even billionaires faster than ever. Yep, I'm talking about the AI gold rush, and how people just like you are getting rich in this new era of artificial intelligence. So grab a coffee, buckle up, and stick around until the end, because we'll reveal practical ways you can ride this wave, even if you're not a coder or tech expert. Let's rewind for a second. Imagine it's 1849. The California gold rush explodes. People drop everything to head west, hoping to strike gold and get rich. Some did, many didn't. But here's the twist. The people who made the most money weren't always the miners. It was the ones selling the shovels, picks, tents, and jeans, like Levi Strauss. Fast forward to today. We're living through an even bigger rush. But the gold isn't glittering metal, it's data and AI. Companies, governments, and individuals are pouring billions into AI because it's transforming everything. How we work, shop, learn, invest, and even create art. This is not just hype. Let me hit you with some real numbers. In 2024 alone, global spending on AI hit over $200 billion, and it's projected to surpass $500 billion by 2027. Tech giants like Microsoft invested $10 billion into OpenAI. Google, Amazon, Meta, they're all racing to build smarter AI tools. According to PwC, AI could add up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the combined economies of Germany and Japan. And here's why that matters for you. Whenever there's that much money moving around, there's opportunity. So, how exactly are people cashing in on the AI boom? Let's look at some real-life examples. Some are high-profile. Some are everyday folk. All are making serious money. 1. Building AI startups. Take Jasper AI, founded in 2021. It's an AI writing tool that helps people generate blog posts, ads, and marketing copy. Just 2 years later, Jasper hit a valuation of $1.5 billion. And guess how they started? A small team of marketers saw that AI could help people write faster. They didn't invent new AI tech. They packaged existing AI into a useful service. That's the secret. You don't have to invent AI. You can build businesses around it. 2. Selling AI tools or prompts. Did you know people are literally selling ChatGPT prompts for money? Sites like PromptBase let creators sell prompt templates for $3 to $10 each. Some top sellers make thousands a month just by designing clever instructions for AI tools. One example? A seller who made over $7,000 in a single month selling prompts for product descriptions and social media captions. Crazy, right? 3. Freelancing with AI. AI isn't replacing all jobs, it's supercharging them. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are earning big bucks offering AI-generated art, AI voiceover services, AI video scripts, AI code generation. A guy named Chris Liu went from 9-to-5 software developer to launching an AI tools directory site that earns thousands monthly in affiliate income. He's not alone. Content creators are pumping out faceless YouTube videos using AI voices, AI avatars, and AI video editors, and making money through ad revenue. 4. Investing in AI stocks. Let's not forget the stock market. NVIDIA, the chip maker that powers AI systems, became one of the world's most valuable companies in 2024. Its stock price soared over 220% in a year because every AI model needs NVIDIA's chips. Other AI-related stocks like Microsoft, Palantir, and Alphabet have seen huge gains too. In the 2020s, just holding the right tech stocks has made some investors multimillionaires. 5. Creating education and courses. Here's another way people are getting rich. Teaching others about AI. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and even Gumroad are flooded with courses. How to use ChatGPT. Mid-Journey for artists. AI for small businesses. One creator earned over $500,000 selling a single online course about ChatGPT. Knowledge sells, and people are willing to pay to learn how to leverage AI. Common myths about getting rich with AI. Okay, let's bust some myths real quick. Myth number 1. You need to be a genius coder. Nope. Many of the richest people in the AI gold rush are marketers, designers, content creators, entrepreneurs. They're using existing tools to solve problems. You don't have to invent new AI algorithms to make money. Myth number 2. AI will replace everyone. AI will automate some tasks, but it's also creating new jobs. Prompt engineers, AI content creators, AI trainers, AI consultants. Think of AI as a power tool. Those who learn to use it well will thrive. Myth number 3. It's too late to start. No way. This is just the beginning. Even experts admit AI adoption is still in its early innings. New opportunities are popping up every day. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So let's talk about how you can tap into this AI gold rush. Here's a step-by-step blueprint, no matter your background. Step 1. Choose popular AI tools. Start experimenting with popular AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, brainstorming, and coding help. Midjourney or DALL-E for AI art and images. Synthesia or HeyGen for AI videos. Copy.ai or Jasper for marketing and copywriting. Most have free trials. Dive in and play around. Step 2. Solve a specific problem. AI is a means to an end. Ask yourself, what tasks do people hate doing? What takes a long time? What's expensive to outsource? Find ways AI can make those things faster, cheaper, or easier. That's where the money is. Step 3. Pick your path. Here are some paths you can choose. Start a service business offering AI-generated content. Sell digital products like AI prompts or templates. Build an audience by teaching people how to use AI. Invest in AI stocks. Research carefully. Develop a niche AI tool if you're technical. You don't have to go big. Even small side hustles are making people hundreds or thousands a month. Step 4. Build an audience. In the AI economy, attention is currency. Share AI tips on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Blog posts or newsletters about AI trends. Case studies showing how you used AI. Even if you sell nothing at first, you'll build trust, which can turn into income later. Step 5. Keep learning. This space changes fast. Stay updated by following AI newsletters like The Rundown AI or Ben's Bites, YouTube channels like 2-Minute Papers or Matt Wolf, Reddit communities like r/artificial intelligence. The more you know, the better you'll spot new opportunities. Now, let's be real. Not everything in the AI gold rush is sunshine and rainbows. Some tools are scams. Some AI stocks are massively overhyped. The tech is evolving so fast that things can become obsolete quickly. So, remember, start small, test your ideas before going big. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Let's wrap up with a quick real-life story. Meet John, a 32-year-old accountant who got curious about AI in 2023. He started using ChatGPT to write blog posts for clients, create SEO content faster, generate outlines for YouTube videos. Within 6 months, John was earning $4,000 a month on top of his salary, all from freelancing with AI. Today, John quit his job and is traveling the world, running his own content agency. He didn't build a billion-dollar company. He just learned how to use AI tools to make people's lives easier, and got paid for it. That's the beauty of this gold rush. There's room for big players and everyday folks. So there you have it, how the AI gold rush is making people rich, and how you can get a piece of it. Whether you want to build the next billion-dollar startup or simply earn some extra income, the opportunities are out there right now. The question is, will you sit on the sidelines, or will you grab your digital pickaxe and start digging? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more insights from Minecraft. Until next time, stay curious and keep crafting your mind.